Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Tesla. The report was first published on our website Thursday, August 4th, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Tesla? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since July 13, 2022, our system ranks the Tesla stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of 3.873. If you were following our analysis, you would have had an amazing gain of 30.2% since we first told you to buy Tesla 17 days ago. This is an average return of 1.78% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Tesla, our last headline reads, Green Day on Thursday for Tesla. The Tesla stock price gained 0.4% on the last trading day, Thursday, August 4, 2022, rising from $922.19 to $925.90. And has now gained 8 days in a row. It is not often that stocks manage to gain so many days in a row, and falls for a day or two should be expected. During the day, the stock fluctuated 2.82% from a day low at $915 to a day high of $940.82. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 13.59% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -3 million shares, and in total, 24 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $22.04 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $1,243.49, and the lowest price was $620.57. Right now the price is 25.54%, or $317.59, below 52-week high at $1,243.49, which also is all-time high for the stock. The stock lies in the upper part of a very wide and weak rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $956.70 will firstly indicate a stronger rate of rising. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 9.55% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -17.88% and 13.19%. The 12-month trend indicates a -6.01% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -37.72% and 19.17%. This equals a price between $576.64 and $1,103.43 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Tesla stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Tesla stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Tesla. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. Mostly positive signals in the chart today. The Tesla stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $885.76 and $753.35. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, May 24, 2022, and so far it has risen 47.4%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 50 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 10 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 19 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 21 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 7 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 3 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Tesla. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $815.12 and $728. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Tesla finds support just below today's level at $815.12. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $728 and $711.11. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $25.82 between high and low, or 2.82%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 4.68%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Tesla. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Tesla currently has a price-earning ratio of 108.52. This is an extremely high price-to-earnings ratio and could mean that a company's stock is overvalued. These kind of price-to-earnings ratios are typical for tech companies or companies that have extreme market potential. Here are some possible good day trading levels. The stock does not have any resistance from accumulate volume above and may therefore move very fast upwards given the right conditions. You should therefore enter the stock and use volume to determine when to exit. On a downturn, Tesla finds first level of support at $815.12, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Tesla is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. The 5 latest insides trades have been done by Wilson Thompson Kathleen, whom have bought and sold 61,250 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -26.777. In total, the insiders bought 129,018 and sold 225,158 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $900.16, minus 2.78%. This stock has high daily movements and this gives high risk. The RSI 14 is 86 and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 49 days ago. Is Tesla stock a buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity as there is a fair chance for Tesla stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Friday 5th, we expect Tesla to open up $1.34 and start trading at $927.24. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.